we need to talk about Bitcoin because it's going bonkers. Let's jump in. What's up, everyone? I'm Brad. Welcome to the Money Dad channel. We're talking about Bitcoin in this video. If you like cryptocurrency, stocks, personal finance, any of that, all the above, please consider hitting that subscribe channel so you can continue to see more content like this. In this video, I want to talk about Bitcoin because it has just been going bonkers. We are sitting at $15,645 at the time of this recording, and it has just been on a tear. This day last month, let's look at October 11th. So on October 11th, 1 month ago to the day, we closed the day at about 11,400. So, and now we're at let's just call it 15,400 to make it easy. That's a $4,000 increase over the last month. $4,000 on your investment. If you had bought one Bitcoin a month ago, you would have made $4,000 on your investment. So let's just do some quick dumb math. We were at, let's say, 11,000 before. We went up 4,000, so 4 divided by 11, 36% gain on your money in 1 month. What on earth? This is an extremely volatile asset, no joke. No lie. Cryptocurrency is still the Wild West. There's no regulation. There is no, nobody has a true idea of where it's going. There are bulls, there are bears, and they will defend their position to the death. But nobody really knows for certain because cryptocurrency is still so new. Bitcoin was created in 2008, right? So we're 12 years into an invented asset class. It's just too new for anyone to have any real idea of its true intrinsic value, where it's going in the future. But what we do have is technical analysis on the charts. We can map out chart patterns on a Bitcoin chart just like we can map out chart patterns on a stock chart. And I mapped out 2 stock charts in a video where I suggested it didn't matter if you were a bull or a bear. There was a stock chart for each one of them that suggested Bitcoin was going significantly higher. And I mapped this out a long time ago. And so far it's been spot on. I'm going to show you those charts again real quick. So let's pop out to the weekly because it makes it a little bit easier to look at this. So we had this big spike in the winter of 2017 when Bitcoin went up to right near 20K, and then it was just all downhill from there. That was when Bitcoin was on the news every single day. Everybody was getting into it. People were buying mining rigs and they were desperate to figure out how to just buy Bitcoin in general. It was a craze, right? And then it died off. And then around the beginning of 2019, we bottomed out, and it looked like the end of cryptocurrency. It was just so dead. We were down to the mid 3,000s, $3,500 a Bitcoin after it was at $20,000. All right, so let's do some real quick, dumb, easy math. If you were at $20,000 and Bitcoin dropped down to $3,500, you lost $16,500 on that investment. So 16.5 into 20,000, you lost 82.5% of your investment. 82%, 83%. Everybody thought crypto was dead. It was done. But then, we're talking about it bottoming out, right? It just started creeping up from there. And we got a midterm top in June of 2019. Looks like we topped out close to 14,000, just under 14,000. And then we've been chopping around lower since then. And then we started a new bull run in March of this year. You know, everything bottomed out in March of this year. And we've gone straight up since, nearly straight up since. So there's two charts, that one for the bulls and one for the bears. If you think Bitcoin is in a bear market because we topped out at $20,000 and we could not top that in June of 2019, so the trend is down, so you're a bear, you think we are trending down, then there is an inverted head and shoulders pattern that inverts that bear trend back to the upside. I'm going to show you right here. All right, so you have your bear trend right here, right? This is your inverted head and shoulders. So head and shoulders is you got two peaks of shoulders, and then you got a head in the middle, right? That's head and shoulders. Inverted head and shoulders flips that upside down. So the peaks are pointing down. And an inverted head and shoulders takes a bear trend and inverts it back to the upside. So you've got your first shoulder, your head, your next shoulder right here, and then it inverts it to the upside. And that's not clean, I know. But I have charted this out more carefully. The pattern is there to show you that the target is to the upside, right? And so far, we've nailed it. We've been going to the upside. We hit every little wave that an inverted head and shoulders would suggest. All right, clear that off. Now, if you are a Bitcoin bull, or if you think we are in a bull market or bull trend because we bottomed out in January of 2019 and we have been going up ever since, then there is another chart pattern for the bulls called a cup and handle that also points to the upside and has been playing to a T so far. And I'm going to show you that one right now as well. So you've got your upward trajectory that is required for a cup and handle to start. And then you have this cup that plays out right here, right? You have a handle, and then you shoot to the upside. That is what a cup and handle projects. After that handle finishes, it's an upside projection equal to the depth of the cup. So both of these patterns suggested significant upside gains. I showed both of these patterns in a previous video. If I haven't already linked it in this video, then I'll do it right here. And it has played out to a T. And here's the good news. We still have more gains to go based off of these charts. It's looking like these setups are targeting the $18,000 range. So we're still chopping around 15.5 right now this week. I mean, last week we were in the 14s. I mean, it's just been $1,000 a week for a little while now. And these charts are suggesting that we should be able to get to the $18,000 range pretty quickly. So if you don't own Bitcoin yet or any cryptocurrency and you are interested in buying Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, I'm going to drop a few referral links below in the description of this video. You can buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrency through Robinhood, through Binance, through Coinbase. There's lots of different ways you can do it. I will leave a referral link for Robinhood and Binance. I prefer those two locations Robinhood makes it super easy. You can download it on your phone. You can put money in your account super easy and fast. You can buy Bitcoin through it, and you even get a free stock when you create an account, and it also gives me a free stock, so I would appreciate it if you did make that account. Binance is great if you are already into cryptocurrency and you want to get into some of those altcoins, or you just want to trade cryptocurrency, things like that. Robinhood is great if you just want to buy some Bitcoin. Honestly, like, it's super easy through it. You get a free stock, things like that. It's free. So highly recommend both of those. I've been using both of them for a while now, and I like them. So I will leave those referral links below. So to sum this video up, Bitcoin has been on a tear. It had a great week. It had a great month. It had a great couple of months. And the chart suggests that we're going to keep going higher from here. Basically, what I'm trying to say is buy Bitcoin. It's just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. That is not official financial advice. But buy Bitcoin. That's all I got for this video, guys. If you got some value out of it, or you just enjoyed it for entertainment purposes, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a comment down below. I will see you there. Thanks. Bye.